Friends, the current topic nowadays all are discussing about is old age homes. See, every family has a story. It's really heart-touching stories we are listening to. These parents are struggling hard to bring up their children. But we can't say all children are neglecting their parents. It is not rightly said. The first thing is the parents, instead of giving children their properties and all, they should give them some education, ethics, moral values, and good culture and environment. Mostly, such environment should be provided to such children. Right from the beginning, right from the childhood days, these children should be given good moral stories and all, because in childhood days, whatever is inculcated in their minds, they never forget them, right? That type of atmosphere should be created. In fact, there are some children who are brought up with good environment, are settling in their lives very well, and they are taking very good care of the parents. So they are not neglecting their parents. They are taking very good care of their parents. There is nothing wrong in teaching them the hard life which you have led, and the problems which you had faced, and the lessons which you had learned. All this should be taught to the children. There should not be any communication gap. Mainly because of this communication gap, these problems are created. Some parents, I don't know why, they hide certain things. See, they want to give good life to the children and they give them good education. They take loans somewhere and they are struggling hard. But they have to tell each second, every moment they have to tell the their hard work behind every aspect. Nowadays, even in working class community also, they are giving very good education to their children. Some children are very matured to understand the feelings of their parents. See, you might have heard about the story. Once there was a sweeper and she brought them up in such a way, she skipped one of her meals a day and gave them good education. At the time of her retirement, as token of gratitude, she was honored by the school management. At that time, three cars reached the place, and from those three cars, three persons got down. I did not remember properly. One might be doctor, one might be engineer, and another one might be some teacher or somebody. All these are well settled. So they came and touched her feet. Nobody understood. These seem to be like very well-educated persons and all. Why are they touching the feet of Aya? Now let us read this interesting story. Three cars reached the school where a sweeper was working. Retirement function of the sweeper was going on. Three men from those cars got down. They seemed to be highly educated. They touched her feet. She embraced them in tears. The management there did not understand the scene. You seem to be highly educated. May I know the reason why you are touching her feet? Asked the principal. Yes, sir. We three are settled in noble professions. She is our mother, because of whose sacrifice what we are today now, said one of those three. Oh, you people settled very well in your lives, but left her to her fate, right? Said the principal sarcastically. The sweeper said in tears, Please, sir, don't blame my sons. Long back, they asked me to leave this job. They said, Amma, you need not work anymore. We can give you comfortable life. Please come with us. But sir, how can I leave this job which gave good life to my sons? In fact, I love my job at the core of my heart, said she. The whole management, including the teachers, gave a big applaud. Oh, how great your relationship is. You are an ideal mother, and your sons are inspiration to the present generations. If such a relationship is maintained by children and parents, there won't be any requirement of these old age homes, said the principal. He even suggested the teachers to teach this sweeper story in their respective classes.